Hello everyone, welcome to Technomatic Labs. In this session, we will explore Playwright Codegen, how to auto-generate scripts from browser actions. So what exactly is Codegen in Playwright? Think of it as your personal test recorder. Every click, every keystroke, every navigation you perform in the browser is automatically captured. Now here is the powerful part. Codegen doesn't just record your actions like a simple video recorder. Instead, it instantly converts them into actual Playwright test scripts. This means you can replay those steps as an automated test without writing everything manually from scratch. Why it is useful? Well, it's a fantastic way to learn Playwright syntax, especially if you are just starting out. It just helps you to speed up test creation by generating a base test script in seconds, which you can later refine. And most importantly, it ensures consistency. CodeGen uses the right locators and test structure out of the box. In short, CodeGen is like your training wheels for automation. You record once and you get ready to run Playwright code. Request to watch the video till end and you will learn full concept of CodeGen in the Playwright by end of this video. Let's begin with code. In order to use CodeGen, we have to enter command in terminal. We don't have to write code explicitly. We just have to pass the command. The command is npx playwright codegen and the link that web UI web page that we exactly want to automate. So we will pass this link https sourcedemo.com. Okay, and just enter it. So what will happen after passing this command? The site will launch and we have to navigate exactly what exactly we want to automate. We just have to navigate it manually, and in the backend the code will get created. So let's start. So site will the browser will be launched. Okay, here it is. Now we have to enter username standard underscore user standard underscore user. Password is secret underscore sauce. And now we have to click on login button. That's it. Login is done. Now let's go back to VS Code and check the code is created or not. So we'll minimize it. Here if you can see, the Playwright has already created a code. What exactly we have, where exactly we have navigated. Like first of all, we go to the site like page dot go to https source.demo. Previously that we have seen, go to is used to launch the browser. Then we have the we what exactly we have to do? We have to pass the locator for the username, and we have to pass the what exactly we are passing. Like first of all, we clicked on that username field, and then we fill with standard user. Then again we clicked on password field, and then we pass password. Okay, and we finally we clicked on submit button, login button. So same way, code is getting uh, code is getting created in backside. So this is the code gen. Okay, so we just have to copy and paste it. That's it. Save it and run it. Npx playwright test hyphen hyphen headed. So we didn't have to write single line of code by using Codegen. Test is running. Browser is launched. Okay, let's run it again. Maybe some intermittent issue is there. Great, test is pass. So here, if you have seen, with the help of Codegen, we have just navigated to the site. We have just clicked on username, passed the username value, then we clicked on password, filled, passed the value, and then we clicked on login button. So in the backside, Playwright was writing code for us. So this is the functionality of Codegen. So I would recommend for the beginners not to use Codegen. Okay, this is just for your information. I have basically added this video just for your information, but I would recommend, I will suggest you or recommend you to get into the code as much as expertise you can get into the coding, and then wherever, if in any of the uh, web UI, if you are facing challenges getting um, locators, there you can try this Codegen, and you can basically unblock the challenge at that time. So there you can use Codegen, but this is for your information. Okay, so this is all about Codegen. Okay. Okay, so as we discussed, why use Codegen? Definitely, the benefit will be to save a time, reduce manual coding effort, but also emphasize it's a learning tool, not a file and solution. We also ran Codegen using command npx playwright Codegen. This opened the browser alongside the Codegen window and started recording every action we perform. Simple and straightforward. In our demo, we navigated to a simple page, perform action like typing and clicking, and saw how Codegen instantly converted those into usable Playwright test code. The generated code gives us a ready-made script. From here, we can copy it, refine it, and include assertions as needed to make our test more meaningful. As we discussed in previous session, we can definitely add assertions. So one important thing to remember is that CodeGen is great for getting started, but not always production ready. The code may need cleanup, better naming conventions, or can say restructuring for real frameworks. So think of CodeGen as a booster, not a replacement for writing clean scripts. Okay, that brings us to the end of our CodeGen session. We'll learn what CodeGen is, why it is useful, how to run it, and even generated some sample code. In the next video, we will explore Playwright Inspector, a powerful tool for debugging and understanding test execution in detail. So don't miss it. And if you found this video useful, subscribe it and check the playlist for upcoming tutorials. Thank you.